Hey, so welcome back to the 3.2 litre build. It's a 3 litre SC engine, but we've upgraded it to 3.2 capacity with larger barrels and pistons. This isn't going to be a how to do, or it's not much of a construction, but what I've done is I've gotten as far as fitting the heads and the camshaft towers. I think we saw previously how the camshafts rotated nice and freely. And I fitted the chain boxes and the chain gear, and I've now done my camshaft timing. Now, I didn't want to record me doing the camshaft timing because of the few videos that I've done so far, it looks like it's pretty boring, and to be honest, it doesn't look like anyone really cares because not many people are watching them, but here I am plugging away. So I just thought I'll fit the timing gear and I'll just show you how close I've gotten from the left and right banks. These are camshafts that have been reground to a more modern profile, and I fitted the Stomsky fixed chain tensioners just so I can maintain correct tension, and also fit my tool in there, which is this big 46mm tool, just so I can get in there and tighten everything up to spec. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to pause the camera while I fit my timing gear. So as you can see, I fitted my timing fixture on the left hand bank. I've zeroed off my indicator and I've got 0.1 of a millimetre of valve clearance, valve lash dialed in, and I'm using a digital degree wheel to maintain tracking of the crankshaft. The pulley on this one is actually quite accurate, but this just makes it easier for visual representation and repeatability. So let's rotate 360 degrees. $30, $340, $50, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm at 0. So as you can see, 0 on the crankshaft, and I'm at 1.48 millimeters of lift on the left bank. All right, so now let's quickly pull everything across to the other side, because I've also got 0.1 millimeter of lash there. So I'm doing this in one take so you can see that I'm not fudging anything, because surely I wouldn't do that. We'll rotate another 360 on the right side. Okay, so I'm at 0 on the crank, and I'm at 1.49 millimeters on the right bank. So I'm 0.01 millimeter of discrepancy from left to right, which I don't think the engine's going to notice. To be honest, I don't think I'm even going to notice. I could probably breathe on it and make it the same, but it's not that critical, but it's always good to aim to be as precise as you can. So as you can see, I've got very, very equal cam timing on left and right bank, so it should run nice and smooth. Anyway, that's where we are with the engine. I'll just give you another look. It's all looking pretty fancy. But yeah, that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and consider subscribing.